That blinking car with a key symbol on your dashboard means your immobilizer system has locked the engine. You can reset this system and start your car by putting the key in the ignition, turning it to the on position for 10 minutes, and repeating this process 3 times. The immobilizer is a security feature that prevents theft by cutting off the fuel pump or starter. Sometimes the system forgets the key fob transponder chip code. This usually happens after a dead car battery, a replacement fob, or a random electrical glitch. When the computer cannot recognize the key, it simply refuses to start the engine. To fix this issue without a tow truck or expensive scan tools, make sure your car battery is fully charged. Put your key in the ignition and turn it 1 click to the on position. Do not crank the engine. Leave the key in this position and wait exactly 10 minutes. Keep an eye on the security light on your dashboard. It will usually stop blinking or turn off completely after 10 minutes. Once the light changes, turn the key to the off position and wait about 5 seconds. Now, turn it back to the on position for another 10 minutes. You need to complete this exact cycle 3 times in a row. This procedure forces the engine control module and the immobilizer to relearn your key code from scratch. After finishing the third 10-minute cycle, turn the key off one last time. Now turn the key all the way to start the engine. The security light should go out, and your car will start normally. If the light is still blinking rapidly, you may be dealing with a damaged transponder chip inside the key or a faulty ignition antenna ring.